Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you how I make Dalgona coffee. It's so smooth, luxurious, and you're gonna absolutely love this. So to make this coffee you will need 200 milliliters of full fat milk, and mine is chilled and it's straight from the fridge. If you want to make it even more cold, then you can add in around 2 ice cubes, but today I'm just going to be going with the chilled milk. And you will need 1 tablespoon of your favorite coffee. I'm just using this, and also 1 tablespoon of sugar, and also 1 tablespoon of hot water. So for the topping, I'm going to be adding some chocolate syrup or some chocolate sauce on top with some dark chocolate pieces. I'm just going to grate that or chop it up and just put it on the top. So let's get started. First, you want to add your milk to your glass. So it can be any mug or glass or anything that you wish. So 200 milliliters of this. Then to your jug, you want to add in your 1 tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just want to put that in there. And then you want to add in around a tablespoon of hot water, so like this, just 1 tablespoon, and you're going to put it in. So before you start whisking, you can give it a stir with a spoon to try and dissolve the sugar in the hot water. After that, you can whisk everything together until it is all incorporated and it forms soft peaks. I'm using a electric hand whisk, and I'm using the high setting for around a minute, and if you're using the normal hand whisk then it will take longer and you may have to do it for around 5 minutes. As you can see, the color has also changed to this beautiful golden coffee brown color, and I'm just going to spoon it into the glass. If you don't like strong coffee, then you can use this recipe to make 2 glasses of Dalgona coffee instead of 1. Keep spooning the remaining coffee mixture into the glass until it's all finished. And just to make this more fun, I'm going to add some chocolate syrup on top with some dark chocolate pieces. Remember, this is just optional, and originally it is served without anything on top. But this is just my way of making it a bit more fun, and I'm going to add some chocolate syrup. And if you want to, you can add any of your favorite toppings as well, like marshmallows and things like that. I'm not really sure. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite toppings are, and I hope you all enjoy this recipe. If you do make this, then let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Here are some close-ups of the drink. Just look at how smooth and silky the whipped coffee is on top. And for those of you who are coffee lovers, you're gonna love this. So before you drink it, give it a good mix and make sure it's all incorporated properly. And because the milk is chilled, the chocolate pieces won't melt, but you can just enjoy them on its own at the end. Here are some more pictures of the coffee I made recently, and I realized the more you mix, the more stiff it becomes, and also the color of the coffee is lighter. Here is the one that I mixed for only a minute, and as you can see, the color was a bit more dark and the texture was also different. So you can experiment and see which one you prefer more. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, and I hope to see you next time.